Hi, my name is Nur Ifah Fikri bin Muhammad Arif. My metric number is 10DJL22F1002. Okay, I would like to tell you about the air conditioning system maintenance procedure in the plant workshop. Okay, this is a picture air conditioning system in the plant workshop. Okay, the first procedure is on the main switch and turn on the start button on the panel. Okay. Second, on the switch power supply and it will generate to all component, especially magnet clutch at the compressor we're running. And third, take the tachometer to measure the compressor. After 5 minutes the compressor running. And fourth, start reading the temperature 1, 2, 3 and 4. Temperature 1 is evaporator to compressor, and temperature 2 is compressor to condenser. Temperature 3 is condenser to expansion valve. Temperature 4 is expansion valve to evaporator. And fifth, from all the reading, find the volume for the pressure, enthalpy and enthalpy for each of this temperature. Okay, safety. Never walk alone in the laboratory. No student work in the laboratory without the lecturer or of the instructor. And second, when you entering a laboratory, do not touch any equipment, chemical or another material in the laboratory until your instructor to do so. And third, perform only those experiments authorized by your instructor. Carefully follow all instructions, both written and oral. Unauthorized experiments are not allowed. 4. Do not eat food, drink, beverage or chewing gum in the laboratory. Do not use laboratory glassware as container for food or beverage. And 5. Be prepared for your work in the laboratory. Read all procedure thoroughly before entering the laboratory. Never fool around in the laboratory. Horseplay, practical joke and prank are dangerous and prohibited. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi to all my friend and also my beloved teacher. First of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Haika Ahmad bin Hakimi and my matric number is 10DJL22F1005. First, I want to thank you for Irfan Fikri for giving his part, and now I will tell my part, which is what's the next procedure that we have to do after the latest Irfan Fikri tell us is what's the next procedure that we have to do after the latest Irfan Fikri tell us. So now what we have to do for the next procedure, which is we need to repeat the procedure 4. We need to repeat the procedure 3 and 4 for the second time, which is we need to start reading the temperature 1, the temperature 2, the temperature 3 and also the temperature 4. After all of that, we need from all the reading, find the value for the pressure entropy, and then we also have to find the enthalpy for each of these temperature. Next, we need to repeat this procedure, this maintenance 3 times to make the accurate data. And the third is, based on the data that we collect, we have to calculate the work of the compressor. And next, the last one or the last procedure that we can do, which is the important one, which is we need to clean up the overall of the machine to make sure that the machine is not dirty, and also the machine can't broke. So now I will tell you guys about what's the safety precaution that we need to learn, or that we need to alert in these procedure types. First of all, we need to always work in a well ventilated area. Second one, observe a good housekeeping practice, which is our work area should be clean and tidy at all time. The third, be alert and proceed with caution at all times in the laboratory. Notify the instructor immediately of any unsafe condition you observe. 4. Label the equipment instruction that must be read carefully before use. Set up, use the equipment as directed by your instructor. The 5th one, which is the experiment must be personally monitored at all times. Do not wander around the room, distract other students, startle other students, or interface with the laboratory experiment of others. And the last one, which is an air conditioning system should only be repaired by a professional. So it's the end of our presentation. We want to say thank you to you guys for giving the attention in our presentation. We hope that we can meet you guys in another day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.